Hello and welcome. Today I'll be showing you how to create dynamic chart using options in drop-down list. So let's get started. At the end of this tutorial, we'll be able to see how to create this drop-down list and how to create this dynamic chart based on our selection. Alright, the dataset I'll be using contains date field and some random numbers. Let's create the drop-down. Let's go to the summary tab, data tab, and then data validation. Under the selection, let's select the list. And then for source, we are going to select only the variable names. We're going to click OK, and there we have it. Now we need data for our chart. And how we're going to do that? We're going to make a subtable out of the main table, which contains the date field, which I have already copied. We now need to select one of each these variables at a time. First, we're going to point this cell to our main summary tab, just like this. What I mean by that, if I select rand1, the rand1 will get selected here. That's so cool. Now we are gonna use index and match formula to grab the data. So first, I'm going to grab only the data and we are gonna lock it. And then we need to select the row number. And for that, we need to do the match. Match, and then I'm gonna look up for F2, okay, because I'm gonna take the dates, and then I'm gonna select the dates from the main table. We're gonna lock it, and then we are gonna select the exact match. And for column, I'm gonna do same match. We're gonna look up for this variable. We're gonna lock it. And then we are gonna look for the variables from the main table, and then we're gonna lock it, and we are gonna select the exact match because that's what we want. All right, we are now all set and ready for our chart. Next, we are going to go to the insert tab. I'm gonna select the recommended chart. I'm gonna go with this. It looks good to me. Okay, we're gonna cut and paste it here. I'm gonna make some changes, design wise, however the way you want, but I'm going to make it a little bit dark so that it looks good. There you have it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you find it helpful. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell.